Ever wish you could have a second phone line without carrying a second phone? A way to separate your work life from your personal life, protect your privacy online, or even establish a local presence in a different country without ever leaving your home. What I'm talking about is the magic of a virtual phone number. It's a game changer, a simple solution to a surprisingly common set of problems, and it's something that's becoming more and more essential in our hyper-connected world. Think about it. We give out our phone numbers constantly. Signing up for a new social media account, placing an online order, registering for a newsletter, even just meeting someone new. With every digit we share, we're giving away a piece of our personal data, opening ourselves up to potential spam calls, unwanted texts, and the general blurring of boundaries. And if you're a small business owner, the problem is even bigger. You're using your personal cell phone for client calls, texts, and customer service. That means you're fielding work calls at all hours, struggling to keep track of conversations, and presenting an image that might not be as professional as you'd like. But what if you could have a dedicated line just for those things? A number that rings on your existing phone, but is completely separate from your personal number. That's exactly what a virtual phone number does. It's not tied to a physical SIM card or a specific location. It's a cloud-based service that routes calls and texts to your existing device, whether that's your smartphone, a tablet, or even your computer. It's the ultimate tool for modern communication, offering flexibility, privacy, and a whole lot of convenience. So, how do you get one? It's a lot easier than you might think. The process is straightforward, and it really boils down to 3 simple steps. First, you need to choose a provider. There are dozens of companies out there offering virtual phone number services, and the right one for you will depend on your specific needs. Are you looking for a simple second number for personal use? Or do you need a more robust solution for your business with features like call forwarding, voicemail transcription, and team collaboration? Some of the big names you'll come across are Google Voice, which is a great free option for a basic US number. And then there are more comprehensive services like Sideline, Burner, and TextNow. For businesses, you might look at services like Grasshopper, RingCentral, or Uma, which are designed to handle higher call volumes and offer more advanced features. Do your research, read some reviews, and compare the features and pricing plans to find the best fit. Once you've chosen your provider, the second step is to select your number. This is where it gets fun. Most services will give you the option to choose from a list of available numbers. You can often select a number with a specific area code, which is perfect if you're trying to establish a local presence in a particular city. For example, if your business is based in New York but you want to attract clients in Los Angeles, you can get a virtual number with an LA area code. This makes your business look more accessible and trustworthy to local customers. Some services even let you choose a vanity number, like 1-800-FLOWERS, or a number that spells out a word or phrase related to your brand. This can be a powerful marketing tool that makes your number easy to remember. Finally, the third step is to set up your account and start using your new number. This is typically done through an app that you download to your phone. The app will be the central hub for all your virtual phone number activity. You'll be able to make and receive calls, send and receive texts, and manage all your settings directly from the app. You'll set up things like call forwarding, which routes calls from your virtual number to your personal number. You can also customize your voicemail greetings, set business hours so calls go directly to voicemail after a certain time, and even get transcripts of your voicemails sent to you via email. But the real power of a virtual number goes beyond just the mechanics. It's about the benefits it brings. Privacy is a huge one. You can use your virtual number for all your online accounts and public-facing interactions, keeping your personal number private and secure. This drastically reduces the amount of spam and unwanted solicitations you receive on your main line. For business owners, it's a total game changer. A virtual number instantly makes your business look more professional and established. You're no longer giving out your personal cell number, which can blur the lines between your personal and professional life. You can have a dedicated line for your business, complete with a professional voicemail greeting and business hours, all from the comfort of your existing phone. You can also track your business calls, analyze your call data, and even port your number to a different service if you decide to switch providers in the future. And for those of you who travel a lot or have international contacts, a virtual number is a lifeline. You can get a local number in a different country, allowing your friends, family, or clients to call you at a local rate, no matter where you are in the world. As long as you have an internet connection, your virtual number will work seamlessly, saving you a ton on international roaming fees. In a world where our phones are a central part of our lives, a virtual phone number is a small but powerful tool that gives you control. It's about creating boundaries, protecting your privacy, and presenting a professional image, all with minimal effort. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or just someone who wants to keep their life a little more organized, a virtual number is an investment in your peace of mind. It's a simple solution to a modern problem, and it's a service that's only going to become more and more essential in the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.